banking transaction. Let's start the chapter with the meaning of bank. The term bank has been derived from an Italian word banco and French word banco, and both means the same, a bench. A banking company is a company which transacts its business with finance. It collects money from the people and lends it to those who are in need of it as a loan. So this was about the meaning of bank. Let's go to the characteristics of bank. First characteristics, dealing with money. The bank deals only and only with money and financial services. Second characteristics, individual, firm or a company. A bank can be started by an individual person or group of persons working as a company. Third, accepting deposits. Bank accepts deposit from the people and give them interest in return. Fourth, lending loans. Loans are the main source of income for the bank. They collect money from the depositor and lend that money to those who are in need of it in the form of loans, and in return they collect interest from them. The next characteristics is agency and utility function. Bank performs many services such as internet banking, ATM, etc. Profit and service orientation. Bank is a profit-seeking institution with service-oriented approach. The next characteristic of bank is connecting link. Yes, the bank as a connector between savers and borrowers. Name identity. A bank should always have the word bank in its name. Example, State Bank of India, Kannada Bank, State Bank, etc. Now, let's move on to the next topic, that is function of banks. In this, we will discuss about the activities performed by bank. First, it accepts deposits from the public. Next, it lends that money to public and other institution. It helps in transferring money from one place to another. It collects money in the form of check, bills, deposits, etc. Another function of bank is discounting of bill, providing safe locker facility, conducting foreign transaction, conducting government transactions, issuing letter of credit and guarantee. Now, let's move on to the next topic, that is services offered by bank. We just studied that bank provide many services. So let's see these services one by one. First, debit card. Debit card is like a plastic card which helps you to withdraw money anywhere, anytime. Credit card. It helps you to purchase goods at present and make the payment in future date. It provides credit facility. Credit facility is nothing but providing loans. Mobile banking. Nowadays, you can transact your business transaction just in one click through your mobile phones and internet. It gives locker facility in which you can keep your precious things such as jewelry or important documents. Another service provided by the bank is of mutual funds. Bank help you to invest in mutual funds. It collects money from you and invest it in money market or in capital market, and whatever amount is generated out of that investment is given to the investor. So that was about the functions of bank. Now moving on to the next topic, that is types of bank. There are different types of bank running in our country. The first and the apex bank is central bank. It is the biggest bank in a country. each country has only one central bank. So, the central bank of our country is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. It controls all the other banks running in our country. The second type of bank is commercial bank. It is nothing but the private sector bank, which are running with the main motive of earning profit. The other type of bank is industrial bank. Industrial banks are set up with the motive of development of industrial sector. It keeps record of all the industries in our country and provide them facilities for their development. The other type of bank is indigenous bank. It is different from those of other commercial banks because it do not provide all other financial services. It is only in the business of lending money to the public. The other type of bank is cooperative bank. The word cooperative itself has derived from the word cooperation, which means to help each other. A group of people having common interest come together and perform the banking facility of saving and lending money. Moving on to the next topic, that is types of bank account. Mainly, there are 4 types of bank account: saving account, current account, fixed account, and recurring account. First, saving account. Saving account is usually opened by the fixed regular income earners. It can be opened by anyone, student or even senior citizens. There is no restriction on the number of times you can deposit the money. Money can be easily withdrawn through check or withdrawal slip. The second type of bank account is fixed account, in which a large amount of money is deposited for a predetermined period. Once that predetermined period is over, a customer can withdraw that money and he will also get a huge amount of interest on that money saved. The third type of bank account is current account. It is usually opened by the businessman conducting large amount of daily transaction. There is no restriction on withdrawal or deposit of money. Bank overdraft facility is also given to the current account holders. The other type of bank account is recurring account. A fixed amount of money is deposited at a fixed interval, say for example once a month or twice a month, for a prescribed period, for example 1 year, 5 year or 10 year. Once that predetermined period is over, the deposited money is given to the customer along with interest. The next topic which we are going to study is advantages of opening a bank account. Let's see what's happening at Raju's home. Mother, why are you keeping that money in the box? Why don't you open a bank account? A bank account? Why should I open a bank account when I can save my money in the box? Why should I go all the way to the bank to save my money? Is there any advantages of it? Yes, mother, there are so many advantages of opening a bank account. Is it? Can you tell me few of them? Yes, mother, I have a Succeed e-learning app. Let's see in that. Welcome to Succeed e-learning app. Today, we are going to study the advantages of opening a bank account. First, it facilitates safe custody of money. It helps you in making payment, say for example, while doing shopping, booking a ticket, paying school fees, etc. It helps in collection of money from those who have to pay you at regular interval of time. For example, collecting interest, collecting rent, etc. Bank account holder can easily get loans and advances. It helps smooth functioning of financial transaction. It gives you a locker facility where you can keep your valuable things like jewelry or important documents. Now, the first question which will come in your mind is how to open a bank account. Don't worry, I will explain you that as well. Firstly, you have to decide what type of bank account you want to open. Either fixed account, recurring account, saving account or current account. Then approach a bank of your choice. Fill up a bank account or proposal form. Give reference in the form. It means the reference of the person who has suggested you to open a bank account in that branch. This is done for the security of the bank. Then submit the form and make sure it is duly filled. The bank officer will verify your form and the required documents. Once your form is cleared, then you can make your initial deposit. Initial deposit is the money which you deposit for the first time through challan. Once that is done, the bank will issue you a passbook. So this is how you can open a bank account. Wow son, there are so many advantages and it is really easy to open a bank account. Tomorrow I will go to my nearest bank branch and open a bank account. Yes mother, definitely. So here ends our chapter. Hope it was interesting. For next chapter, keep watching Succeed e-learning app.